Hello everyone. This is Kostas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily remove the song history from here. You see that when you have your song history enabled, you're gonna have the last, uh, the latest music played here, and the last songs that were played after particular minutes. Okay, that sometimes it's usual and sometimes helpful, and sometimes people uh, shouldn't see them, or you might don't want to show them to them, and you want just to hide it. Um, I'm gonna show you how easily we can remove the song history. Okay, that's the part one. It's the song history, and in fact, this card is the card from card body buttons. Okay, and particularly this song history. It's the card dot history. Okay, so if we want to remove this one, we're gonna have to remove the card dot history from here. Let's do it right away. I'm gonna just come here where I have changed the background and some colors, and I'm gonna uh, use the card dot history element, and in fact hide it totally. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say that I want card dot history to display none. Okay, you see it's none, and that's gonna be the important stuff for me. So in this case, the this part, sorry, it's gonna be hidden. Let's try to refresh now after we did this change. Okay, maybe it's not updated over here. It was the card history. Okay. Okay, in fact, what that happened is when I click song history, it disabled this part. You see, that was the card history. You see, if we move over here, it's from the modal song history, and somewhere down here, it's the card history that we have already removed it, and we didn't let to display any contents inside. Okay, it's the station history. In fact, we want totally to disable the song history button. So I'm gonna show you right away. Okay, we can remove this part with programmatically with CSS, but as a user of AzuraCast streaming, you can easily navigate to your profile. You can go to view your profile and click edit profile, and over here you're gonna see that there is an option that it says number of visible recent songs. Okay, here if you want to totally disabled, you can just click disabled and upload, clicking save changes, and that is gonna remove in fact the song history. Let me see now. It's not showing any song history, but again, it seems like it's not removing the button. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what's happening. I'm gonna just do it like that and click a Control F5 to be sure that it's not removing it. Yeah. It's gonna give just the song history, but it's not gonna remove the button. But we want exactly that, to remove the button. So this option, it's not removing the button, it's just disable this option. So even programmatically with the CSS, or even with this option with disabled number of visible recent songs, that's not gonna remove this part. Okay. Okay, so to remove totally these buttons, let me show you over here. If we want to remove all the buttons, we can just add here, over here to our CSS, we can just add this card body dot buttons display none and to be important. Okay, you see, it's the way that we're gonna just disappear all those buttons. Let me show you, because this selector is the card buttons. You see, now our player is like that, and we have no buttons over here. Okay, let's go back here, and I'm gonna show you what else we can do so that we can target each one of those buttons. Okay, we can just select the first part of the selector. Let me show you. I'm gonna add this down here so that you can see that. If I add this one, okay, to this code, you're gonna see that I'm using card body dot buttons. It's the section, and I just target the nth child number 1. Okay, that's the first button. So I'm not using this generally, this code over here. So as you can see, I'm just I noticed that I got my camera off. I'm gonna enable right away. As you can see, I'm using this code, and I'm having nth child using the first button and hide just the first button. Okay, I can do the same for each one of those so that I can hide each one of those. You see now that I have just the request song and playlist. I can do the same for number 2 and number 3. Let me just copy that and paste again, and I'm gonna do that even for number 2 and number 3. I'm gonna save this one just to see what is gonna happen, and on that way you see that I hide all of those buttons, and I have none of them appear. If I remove this part, I'm gonna have just the third button available and not hidden to this to my player. Okay. As you're gonna see, we can try this the same code and the same public page to Firefox and Opera to ensure that it's working normally. Okay, you see that this code is universal. Now I have hidden all the buttons, and I'm to Opera. And if I move to Firefox, you see that again that it's working normally. And if I move to Chrome over here, it's working normally. So this code is universal, and it's working normally to each one of those. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you have any kind of questions and you want to ask me anything, you can just write it down to the comments. Please subscribe and like my videos, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.